Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys, or pretty much going over 1,000 miles with the Raptor suspension and how it rides, you know, things that I'm having issues with and so on like that. So first off, the main thing that I'm having an issue with right now is the alignment. But that is my own fault at the end of the day, because I did take it off-roading, and as well as, what did I do? The bushing is going out on one of them, on both upper control arms, or I need to tighten them again. So it knocks it out of place because it doesn't hold everything together. But pretty much that, besides that, like, look, let me go ahead and show you guys. So right here, as you can see, let me go ahead and straighten out. You can see that the steering wheel is not straight. It has been like this since the alignment. It did get a little teeny tiny bit worse after I off-roaded it, but pretty much we're gonna leave it like this for now. I know it's gonna fuck up the tires, but once I get the upper control arms, then I'll go get another alignment and it'll be straight again. Around town, just driving around like areas, rides so smooth. It feels like you're driving on a cloud, and that's what I really wanted. Off-road, in terms of off-road performance though, it's there. It's definitely gonna be better than your average car, your average truck with a level kit or like no lift at all. You know, you can take it through rough areas, through really like rocky, like where it really drops. It goes up and down, and it drops like high. It handles it well. You will be bouncing around at some points, but most of the time rides perfectly. And a couple other things that I had to worry about, or you have to extend the brake lines, which I haven't done yet. You can build a bracket, but I don't recommend doing that. So extending the brake lines is definitely something on the to-do list. So overall, after 1,000 miles, I feel safe to say that the ride is almost as smooth as a Raptor. It's not quite there yet, but it's almost there. The back is really what kind of limits it, because it doesn't compress as fast enough because of the stock shocks. So if I just upgrade those, you'll be smooth. You don't need to go any higher than Gen 1 shocks, to be honest with you. If you're just... Thank you guys for watching the video. Let me know if you guys have any more questions. This was pretty much a breakdown of how I rode after 1,000 miles and after trial and error. I still have a couple issues that I need to fix, but overall it rides really smooth, and I definitely recommend it. And for $1,000, if you get it how I got it, you can't beat it, especially if you're going lowered, which I will be talking about it in a later video. So thank you again, and be tuned for the next video.